Okay guys, Tim here, Ceramic Coatings of Louisiana, and polished by full attention to detail. Yes, we are in the same building. Yes, it is me doing the work. It's just two separate companies handling everything. We had this RLX, it's a 2015. It was originally done by GoPro out of Baton Rouge. They did the initial Ceramic Pro Gold package. Silver package, sorry. And just to show you guys, Ceramic Pro does as designed. It performs, as long as you just follow some simple things that are actually much simpler than doing wax. But after a year and 3 months, this is the performance of it. As I said, that was done last year. So let's compare it to the Z01 that's actually been sitting and curing in the shop. So just for a comparison, that's the gold package on the Z01. So just want to show you guys that the coating does perform as designed. It's not a magic trick. It's not a snake oil. It does work.